So I'm going to try and upgrade the headlights on this car. I'm going from the pre-LCI US version with the orange side marker type of a thingy on the side of the headlight. No rings, angel eyes or whatever on those. These lights have a problem, which is a fairly famous problem with these headlights. It's the wiring. The wiring goes bad on these headlights. The insulation, I might just take it apart at some point. The insulation just disintegrates on the wiring and they short out and everything. So I'm going with the LCI headlights, and these are LCI halogen also, not xenons or anything. They are not anything fancy, but they look better. They have those rings that light up built into them from factory. They have an orange side marker or turn signal light bulb, but that can be replaced easily with something that is not orange, and it has that weird eyebrow on the top. So in order to do that headlight upgrade or replacement, I will have to remove the front bumper. Once I remove the front bumper, I can remove the headlights. So once the bumper is out of the way and somewhere on the floor, the headlights are pretty much free to be taken off the car. There is a couple of screws that hold them. So with some minor struggle, the headlight is all disconnected and removed from the car. The next thing is to disconnect the headlight from this support frame bracket that the headlight is attached to. So once this headlight is disconnected from the support bracket, I can reverse the process and put the new headlight onto it and hook it up and turn it on and see what it looks like. Well, here's what it looks like after doing this upgrade. I think it's not bad at all. I actually like these headlights. I think they look pretty cool. I still have to do some minor fixing on the headlights. So for now I'm going to keep those rings turned off, and as soon as I get things that I need, I will revisit this issue. And here is the common problem with these headlights. Wires, these wires, they just lose insulation. I suppose it's just some kind of a PVC insulation, nothing fancy. Surely it's not Teflon, but the insulation is just disintegrating. This is some silicone tape that I tried to use at some point, but that was not fixing or helping much, because the rest of the insulation, it keeps falling apart, and basically things just start to short out, and the headlights don't work anymore. Here we have the xenon adaptive headlights, and here is we have on this side we have the LCI non-xenon, non-adaptive, just plain simple halogen headlights, and I kind of like that actually. I'm not sure if this style is something that I really like a lot. I kind of not sure. and these headlights are actually not as heavy as those, so that's another thing to consider. My struggle to make this car lighter is kind of taking me some weird directions.